item specifics like size, colour or brand help your listings be seen by people looking for exactly what you're selling. Learn how eBay makes it easy to find and to update missing item specifics. First, find out what you need to update. We require some item specifics because they're crucial in helping buyers find the right item. We'll let you know when new item specifics are going to be required soon, giving you plenty of time to add them. By adding required, recommended and required soon item specifics, you can stay ahead of the curve and help your listings be found. How does eBay help you find item specifics? If any of your listings are missing item specifics, you'll see a reminder under your tasks in Seller Hub. For example, this task reminds you to add item specifics that will be required soon. Clicking the task will take you to your active listings page. The required soon quick filter will be applied and you'll see which listings need to be updated. Here you may also see quick filters for any required or recommended item specifics that you need to add. There's also a dedicated column for item specifics with more details about what's missing, like this listing. Now, it's time to add item specifics to your listings. Filter for the item specifics you want to add. Then select the listings you want to edit and click Add Item Specifics. This will open your listing tool, where you can add item specifics to each listing one at a time. The fields for item specifics are arranged into required and recommended. Make sure you complete any empty required fields first. Item specifics that will be required soon are in the recommended section. Look for the required soon tag. There you'll see the date from which these item specifics will be required. There are also details above some fields telling you why we recommend these item specifics, such as search volume. Once you've added all the recommended item specifics that apply, you can dismiss the reminders for that listing. Finally, click Save and Next to move to the next listings you selected. You can also save time by adding item specifics in bulk. Click Download to export a file of your listings. Follow the directions in the file and then simply upload it back to your listings page to make the changes. Remember, item specifics help your listings to be found by more potential buyers. Update your item specifics today. Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.